the channel and welcome as we pick up where we left off from our last walk from Los Jardines Metropolitano, and we're going to head down to Gurabo. We are going to take one of the biggest streets down here straight through the city of Santiago de los Caballeros in the beautiful Dominican Republic. And we're going to take off by showing you a little of the sights and talking a little real estate this time. As a subscriber suggested, I've looked up some beautiful apartments that are available for rent, and we're going to include some of those prices as we walk down the 27th of Febrero Avenue in Santiago. So enjoy the sights as we talk a little real estate. Now, real estate seems to be the number one asked question when thinking about moving to Santiago. What are the prices? What's available? What can I get for those prices? And if you look down our catalog of videos, you'll see that we have done a lot of videos on how to live for under $800 a month. We've done a video where you can live anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200 a month. We have the cost of living. And we also have had some on Corotas app and other apps and Instagram sites that you can visit so that you can see prices all around Santiago. And later we're going to have a video about this paint box nail shop that just opened up. We had one on one of our older videos of their older location, but this is a brand new plaza that just is still actually being built in Los Jardines. And of course, our Scory Cafe that you've heard us talk about on our foods and restaurants video. But getting back to real estate, let's always look back on some of the old videos that we have because we do cover a lot of this, but we want to keep you updated with the most accurate and up-to-date information on rentals, because rentals come and rentals go. So in Los Jardines, and the building is called Residential Lumi, L-U-M-I. They have two available apartments. The first we're going to talk about has a square footage of 1,722 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, unfurnished, meaning you would have to supply the appliances in the kitchen, air conditioning units, etc. But again, I reference our video where we talk about all that so that you know ahead of time, because knowledge is power, what you are looking at when they say unfurnished. The rent would be $445 a month. It is in pesos that they want you to pay, so that's good because again, we said in one of our videos, always pay in pesos. It's the best way to get the most bang for your buck, because right now the peso is at 58.53. So that's to every one American dollar. And you can see what we all know, because a lot of us, well, us in at least Vegas know, IKEA. There is an IKEA store right here in Santiago. A lot of people have to actually travel into Santiago just to shop here, and thankfully you'll have it right here and they deliver. You don't even have to worry about lugging it home if you don't have a car. IKEA delivers and puts together any furniture that you buy for almost next to nothing. It's a very low fee. But back to that Residential Lumi. In that $445 a month, it includes security cameras, a service room, which they call maid's quarters room, balcony, laundry room, living, dining room, kitchen, 2 parking spaces, and the most important, if you've watched our videos, a backup generator. Now remember, that is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unfurnished, and that was $445 a month. Now also located, there's Eric's, let me take a moment for this, Merident. So when you heard us talk about our dental office that we've been utilizing and we send a lot of our viewers to, it's right here on Avenida Febrero 27. So it's very easy to find and access. Most taxis and Ubers and public cars all will be able to find it very easy, because you just tell them either to come to the Pharmacy Carol or they'll know that Merident's right there. So back to Residential Lumi. They also have a second apartment available. This one is located on the first floor. And while we have a pause for a second, there is the big Banco Santa Cruz that we use, and we tell all of our subscribers and people who use us for our consulting to visit if they are looking for a really reliable and very friendly, very helpful bank. So residential Lumi on the first floor. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath also. The square footage was 1,991. It was $445 a month also. And of course, the building, like we said earlier, has security cameras, not armed security, but security cameras, the maid's quarters, balcony, laundry room, living, dining room, kitchen, parking spaces, and of course, a backup generator. So remember, that's something that you always want to consider. So we're going to move more down the Avenida, and we come up on Optimus Plaza, which has a few little stores, couple restaurants in. Very nice for a casual day. And now we're heading up, as most of you might recognize, into Gurabo. Whenever you've hit Contigo, you have gone past Estrella Saldaja, which is where Supermercado Nacional is. Now you are on the side of Gurabo. So on Gurabo, we have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, unfurnished apartment available with the square footage of 1,076. And this one is only $376 a month. It has a maid's quarters, balcony, laundry room, living room, dining room, kitchen, 2 parking spaces as well, and of course the big thing, backup generator. Maintenance is also included in this rent. It has armed guards and security cameras, an intercom, an elevator, which again is very important, and they said that you have access to power in common areas. And if you look back through these streets right here, this is Gurabo. A lot of it is under construction because they have a lot of new buildings going up, a lot of new homes, a lot of new apartments, but there are those that have already been built maybe in the last year or two, and the one that we listed was one of them. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath, unfurnished for $376 a month. And you can see it is a quick drive, quick ride, however you walk, however you want to get down, and you're right on the main strip, which had Mr. Grilled, which he showed earlier, Contigo, Central, lots of places to come. So remember, there's lots to do in Santiago, plenty of places to come, visit, and live. So remember to always hit subscribe, hit notifications, always give this and all videos a thumbs up. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers and people who are patrons to buymeacoffee.com. Remember, all information is always underneath the videos. And as always, from beautiful Santiago, we'll see you on the next video.